In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move overlays in CapCut. Whether you're editing on your mobile device or your computer, adjusting the placement of overlays is a key part of creating polished and professional-looking videos. Overlays can be anything from text and stickers to images or animations, and positioning them correctly ensures your content looks clean and visually appealing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to move and position overlays with precision, no matter which device you're using. If you're new to CapCut, you can find a link in the description to create your account and get started. Now let's dive right in. Let's start with moving overlays on mobile. First, tap on the overlay clip in your timeline. This step links the overlay directly to the editing preview, so you can make real-time adjustments. Once that's done, tap on the overlay itself in the main video preview window. You'll see it become active, and now you're ready to position it. To move the overlay, simply hold and drag it to the spot you want on the screen. This gives you complete control over its placement. For example, if you're editing a gaming video, a popular choice is to place it in the lower right corner, where it won't block the main action. If you want to adjust the size of the overlay while moving it, you can use a two-finger pinch gesture. This allows you to resize and reposition the overlay simultaneously, making it easier to align it perfectly with your video. Keep in mind that you can repeat this process as many times as needed, so don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. Fine-tuning your positioning is completely normal. Now let's move on to editing overlays on a PC. First, click on the overlay clip in the timeline. This highlights the overlay and ensures you're editing the right element. Next, head over to the main preview screen and click on the overlay itself. Once selected, you can drag the overlay to your desired position within the video frame. This method is quick and intuitive, allowing you to visually align the overlay with your content. For even more precise placement, CapCut offers position sliders in the basic video settings panel. These sliders control the X and Y axes, so you can fine-tune the overlay's placement down to the pixel. For example, you might set the overlay to be exactly 100 pixels from the left edge and 50 pixels from the top for a consistent and professional look. Adjusting these sliders is ideal when you need precision that simple dragging might not achieve. Feel free to experiment with different positions to find the best balance between your overlay and the main footage. Proper placement can significantly enhance the overall visual appeal of your video, so don't rush the process. And remember, you can always make additional adjustments as needed. Editing is all about trial and error, so take your time to achieve the look you're aiming for. And that's it. Now you know how to move overlays in CapCut, whether you're working on mobile or PC. With these steps, you can position overlays exactly where you want them, ensuring your videos look polished and professional. If you have any questions or tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.